Hi, my name is Cheyenne Depew, and I'm a physical education teacher over at Gardner Elementary School. This is going to be my second year over at Gardner, and since enrollment numbers went down this year, they're going to have me go over to Ortiz Elementary School and work one day a week over there. Um, my USD is 259, which is Wichita Public Schools in Wichita, Kansas. I don't have any extra activities that I'm held responsible for at my school. Um, the biggest concern that I have looking forward for next year is that it's only my second year of teaching, and my co-teacher decided to go to a different school, so I'll be at the school as a second year teacher with a new co-teacher because I teach all of my classes as doubles. The thing that got me into teaching is with an exercise science degree, I was always teaching fitness classes, and I realized that just wasn't for me, and the schedule wasn't for me. And then I started teaching swim lessons and realized on how I communicated and connected with the kids. And so I called Wichita Schools, and they told me about this program, and that is how I'm here.